Welcome to ZT classes.
So before checking the proof for converse midpoint theorem, let's check what is converse midpoint theorem. तो if you take any triangle ABC, उसमें आप किसी एक side पर you take a midpoint. So here I am taking point D, and you draw a line parallel to the second side. So I am drawing line parallel to second side BC. Then this red line, this will intersect the third side at a point E, such that AE will be equals to EC. So in words we can say that in a triangle, if a line is drawn from the midpoint of one side and parallel to the second side, it will bisect the third side. Let's see the proof of it. Let's see the proof of it. So given here is triangle ABC where D is midpoint and DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove that E is midpoint of AC, or we have to prove AE is equals to EC. Let's see the construction here. So we'll extend the line DE, and from point C we'll draw a line parallel to AB. Let's name the point of intersection as F. Let's see the proof. So in BCFD, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. So if opposite sides are parallel, then we can say that BCFD is a parallelogram, right? In this parallelogram we know that opposite sides are also equal. So BD and CF are equal to each other. Now given is D is midpoint of AB. तो बेटा D अगर AB का midpoint है, we can say that BD is also equals to AD, right? So BD equals to AD, which is given to us. From here we can conclude that CF and AD are equal. Let's name this as 1. Also in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So CFD, this angle is equals to CBD, right? Now this angle CBD, this is also equals to angle EDA. Why? If you will see, DE and BC, these are parallel to each other, and these two angles, they are corresponding angles. So angle ADE is also equals to angle CBD, which are corresponding. Now both these angles are equals to CBD, right? CFD and ADE are equals to CBD. So we can say these two angles are equal to each other, or CFD is equals to ADE. ठीक है, इस observation को let's name it as 2. Now in triangle CFE and triangle ADE, that is these two triangles we are talking about, तो यहाँ पर बेटा आपका CF जो है वो AD के इक्वल है ना, ये हमने अभी प्रूव किया है, एंड योर एंगल CFD is equals to ADE. Also angle AED and CEF, these are vertically opposite angles. So we can say that by AAS congruency, so these two triangles are congruent. तो अगर ये दोनों triangles congruent है, right, then by CPCT we can say AE is equals to EC. और हमें प्रूव भी यही करना था that E is the midpoint of AC, and hence proved. So this was converse midpoint theorem. I hope you have understood the proof well, and you have found it easy also. So we'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.